Hello everyone. This door lock, door handle, it does not open. As you see, I can turn it this way, nothing, this way, nothing, so it's stuck. The door knob and the you can see the beam over there, it's kind of stuck, so it does not move. And so how to open it, and you will see now. All you need, flat screwdriver like this one, like that. So that's how you open it here. So you can see what's wrong with this door. So when I turn, you see this one is not moving at all, and that's what's causing. Even inside one, the inside one, see, same thing. So that's how you open it, by just a flat screwdriver. Push this one a little bit down like that, and then open it. See? So put the screwdriver like that, just like that. Push. This is screwdriver. Push it this way, and then push, the door will open for you. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, check out other videos. All the best, and hope to see you next video. There are two screws in the back of the door lock or door knob or door handle. As you can see, I already loosened them.
Up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. But my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me
like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
Connections